A fun fact about Shanice, which you may have not known, is that growing up, I wanted to be a model. So I didn't get the chance to go on the runway, but your girl got the chance to be a designer for fashion shows. So come with me to a fashion show for Island Child Style. And here you can see I was just feeling myself as usual. So these are my little models and they're just working the pieces, guys. I did pieces ranging from casual wear, swimwear, you name it. And they embodied these pieces, guys. These are just clips from other designers on the runway, Katie and Nancy, you name it. At the end of the show, they did give us a few slots to, showcase our designs, and that's mine over here. I'm just so happy. So can you tell I'm happy? This is DJ Zaki, as usual, holding down the vibes for the night, and he's just so talented, guys. As usual, they had a 360 photo booth, and I just had to go on. Like, a girl was feeling herself that night. I was just all over the place. Like, I was on a high. So yeah, this was definitely fun. It was my first